or never, effective or never ever. Pick the definition and put it together. Cause it still comes out tasting like chocolate. With the finesse MCs never got with. Cause none of them want me to touch the mic first. They know that it only takes one person to take the mic first. Show me what you can do, and I'll wake me up when you're through. Just so I can throw it up. Show a pro, we'll let them all know. That any MC trying to be this lyrical. She go ask smoking about herself for a miracle. I wouldn't let a rapper go one round. I'm knocking that down just like Jack Brown. So Mr. C, let the music play. And here's what I want you all to say. Come on. I straighten them out just like a perm. When I take a second, chest to recollect it. Yes, yes, to the rappers out. Like all of East Coast MCs up to date. But one DMC on down.
Round two, let's go. Can I get a soft rap crowd? What's up?
Can I get a soft rap? Come on. Can I get a soft rap? Come on. Can I get a soft rap? Come on. Can I get a soft rap? Come on, come on.
Let's go. Please show some love to Tiff-Freestyle representing Canada. Yo.